Right then there, you young pupskis. Don't you dare go away. Pay attention now. Otherwise I'll be right around your heist, and I'll give you a damn good wigging. The Arsey Old Gripper back here, and today I want to have a bloody good bitch and a moan about something which I think is detrimental to people's well-being. And on that subject of well-being, it's a wonderful thing to have a really good blowout now and again. Get rid of all that stress and that tension. Don't hold it in, darlings. You might just explode. I want to talk about something that you young types call
doom scrolling.
I'm pretty sure you know what I mean. You chaps and chapesses, with your little grubby thumbs going up and down,
flicky flick, flicky flick, tickety tackety, and all that.
In comparison with these iPhone things you have these days, I want you to think of the telly, the good old TV.
3 bloody channels.
But at least we used to have Blue Peter, Jack and Ori, and other intelligent educational programs. Mind, there was a fair amount of badly acted crap on there as well, I suppose. But were we happy people, were we? No, very probably not. Anyway, I digress. When I was just a wee little lad, hiding behind good old Mama's aprons, I can remember we used to watch. And horror of horrors, we actually used to get up off our arses to turn it off when we'd finished. But of course that meant that we actually knew when enough was enough. Can I suggest we apply the very same principle to life? Things can very often be actively designed to drag us down that rabbit hole of mediocre mind pulp and nonsense, and do absolutely everything they can to addict us to this stuff, and to hang on to our last drop of attention
for grim death.
My plea to you is for you to be in charge. Be conscious about being in control today and every day. Do what's good for you. Right, there you go. That's got that load of shiz off my chest. I'm not known as the Arsey Old Gripper for nothing, you know. You take care out there. Look after each other. Keep your tongue out. You're welcome. And subscribe if you're ready for more no BS well-being advice.